Just a couple of comments on the economy that came from the minutes. They said the pace of recovery had picked up recently, and that was again when they met in March. They saw encouraging developments regarding the pandemic, particularly the vaccinations, and the vaccination rate was something that buoyed their view. The release of pent-up demand, they said, could boost consumption down the road. Home sales were seen as robust. That may be an understatement given the actual data. The economy, though, this is important, was far from achieving the Fed's employment goals. And they said that changes to policy should be based on outcomes, not forecasts. That's the Federal Reserve really reiterating this idea that the Fed has gotten rid of this notion of preemption and moving ahead of time for fear of future inflation, wanting to see much more the whites of the eyes of inflation and actual decline or return to employment levels before the pandemic. I'll just take one more look at the headlines here, guys, and it looks like it pretty much sums it up. The Fed really standing pat for quite a while until it gets to where it wants to be, which is much lower unemployment, much more gain as to the lost jobs in the pandemic, and not signaling any near-term change in policy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.